they did lose some points for having that toilet seat up. Hey everyone, it's Elle, and join me at my neighbor's house where I am going to rate their decor. So these are my new neighbors and they didn't quite move in yet, but they did give me the opportunity to go in and take a look and rate their decor and maybe the layout. So stay tuned. So I made it into the entryway, and what do I think so far? The decor used to be my style. Like, they have this ethnic decor here. So the basis of my video is to get home decor inspiration because I need a change. And I have pictures like this at home, but it does look nice. And let me show you the layout. So there is believe a mother-in-law suite over here in this bedroom. So let's check out the decor. So I like that they have a feature wall, or what is it, the pop of color. There used to be a name for this, the colored wall, right? And then I like the two pictures, and I like everything is uniformed. And then over here, the green chair, okay, in the corner. Okay, let's see, over here it's a closet, and then the bathroom. Let's turn on the light. So far, the decor, oh, it's actually a leather bed head. So far, the decor is okay. I actually like this lamp right here. So the color scheme are these earth tones, but without being too much cream, you know, too much neutrals. They do have a little color in it. Okay. I like how they did that towel thing right there. So I'm gonna move on to the next area. I do like these floors. The entryway has these tiled floors, and then it has tiled wood. So when you move down, we have sliding barn doors here. I don't know if I'll ever put sliding barn doors. I might do clear glass doors that slide. And then here's an office. And I love this settee here. I love that. Now that is something I can use. And the rug. So I am getting a little bit of inspiration from this room. I don't like the chair. I don't like that here. I don't like the lamp, but I do love this bench settee. This is really nice. It has wood and iron, and it's a tweed. I can do this. I'm gonna try to source the products, but that is nice. That's a keeper. These boxes are kind of cool too. And the lights. Okay, right across is the laundry room. It's a pretty big home. High ceilings. Oh, look at this. Excuse the toilet, guys. So they have this here. I'm not going to show you the toilet. And then they have this with over here. The mirror. The mirror is nice. And I love the tile back wall. Okay, let's go here. This is the laundry room. Oh yeah, I'm definitely in need of a new washer and dryer, but I'm waiting till my kids get older because they treat my washer and dryer like trash. So I'm not going to be able to change out anything into my laundry room until they get older and they leave, because they wash their own clothes now, and I don't want to buy a new washer and dryer and they break it. Okay, I am moving into the main living area. Pretty. I love the layout. Do I like the decor? Well, let's see. I see leather back chairs, counter stools, I should say. Yes, these leather back counter stools. Definitely giving inspiration. Okay, so it's leather here, like a boucle feel there, and then wood. Really nice. Okay, maybe. And then what about these cabinets? They're a little too dark for me, but I like them. I'll take them. I definitely will. Okay. 5 burners over here. I love the cutting board. Okay, home decor inspiration in the his house. What about these poles? They're nice. They're simple and they're nice. Okay, I love the bowl. I'm not sure if I would put eggs in, but let's turn back over here. Now I have 1,000,001 of these bowls. I do like these shades and I'm liking the layout. It's nice and open, has a really good open feel here. Okay, the table, too heavy for me. The chair is too heavy, but I love this sideboard credenza. Yes, really nice. Too dark. They should have had something brighter here. I don't like this rug thing on the wall, but I do like the lamps. I don't know if I would have put it there, but this is right up my alley. You guys know I like a collage anything. So these mirrors, they're 2 side by side. I love the collage and I do enjoy this light fixture. So let me step back a little bit so you guys can see. Okay. I do like that. So the chairs are a winner. The credenza are a winner. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot these urns. I will definitely take the urns. Hopefully I can source these for you guys. I'll take the urns and I'll take these mirrors. Okay, let's see what's over here. They have some little bell thing here going on. Let's just take a look in the pantry. The door is broken, I think it looks like. But ooh, big pantry. Okay, I'm gonna go into the living area right here. I love these. Okay, so I'm not necessarily a fan of the colors, but that just shows that you can do different colors and it blends in when you have beige and browns and blacks and so forth. Okay, so I'm loving this. This is real wood. I'm liking that. I'm loving the elephants. I have something like that at home. I'm liking these. Okay, and then the vase and the bowl up there. The bowl, that is nice. Okay, the light fixture is kind of cool too. It's like a modern farmhouse. Okay, the couch, maybe. Not the pillows, but definitely the couch. The bowl, yes. So what I can do, just got some home decor inspiration. The brown bowls that I have at home, I can definitely paint them and hammer a hole into it if I don't have one that has a hole already. But these tables are nice, marble and wood. Yes. Okay, this chair is a winner. It's a leather single high back chair, leather and iron. Really nice. Okay, I'm liking that. I'm even liking the pillow, but not together. So the bowl and the vase are winners. The artwork, wall art, maybe. The chair is a winner. The table is definitely a winner. The rug is a winner. So the living room, okay, I will give the living room a 7 out of a 10. The chairs are nice. I'm just thinking not maybe all together, but it works. It flows. It's a cohesive look here. I'm not sure if I would pick these prints out, I should say, or the texture. But these chairs are nice as well. Okay, there is a box up here. Okay, and this is it together, guys. All together now. Ooh, can't wait to get upstairs. Very nice. Nicely curated style. Very nicely done. Now we're gonna move into the bedroom. Okay, so far, I'm giving the bedroom 10 out of 10. Why? Because number one, I love the rug and I love this bench. Where can I get it? Love the bench, love the bed, the feel of the bed. Let's feel the bed, guys. Let's feel the luxury. Ooh, it's velvety, luxury, and I love those little things. It doesn't spell out anything, but it's nice and it's big and clean and airy. Ooh, makes me want to go home right now and redecorate. So this is why I'm giving it a 10, because it instantly made me feel like I want to live here. So that's when you know if decor is really nice. If you feel like you want to move in and you want to live there, you know that you've got yourself a winner when it comes to styling your home. Okay, So then the curtains, okay, the windows. I love the table, love the chairs. They're like a modern, contemporary, not too high back chair. So yes, so the rug, I'll take the pictures, okay. So this is nice. And the sun came out just in time. Okay, but now it's blinding. Even, I love these vases. And the drawers. Yes, this is a definite winner, guys. Definite winner. How cute. How cute is this set? Okay. And then let's go back over here. Talk about this bowl. All right, now this bedroom is my cup of tea. Okay, I am definitely loving the lamp, loving this lamp. Everything, the mirror, everything is so nice. These drawers, like you can put your TV there and have like your clothes, like extra storage. So this is really good. This bench, let's take a better look at it. Oh yes, loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna move right into the restroom. Okay. We're gonna start over here, and the floor is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, then you have the tile up the wall in the shower, so really nice. This is easy to do. And then there's a bench in there. Okay, I'm supposed to be looking at the decor, but really nice if you wanted to do a bathroom makeover. Okay, look at these, really pretty. Yes. Definitely nice and clean. This tub will not do, boo. But there's the decor. There's the decor. Ooh, this is pretty. So the bathroom, I give a 9. Okay, and then here's the closet. And I love this closet because you can put a bench right on in here. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now this is a closet. I'm thinking that this was it, but lo and behold, over here, yes, and keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Turn around. Every now and then I see my shoes on the closet wall. Turn around. I can see my clothes hanging right in here. Turn around, put a little bench and hide out from my kids. Okay. Yes, this is it. And let's see the water closet. Okay. Really cute. Okay, the toilet is closed here. I love the black fixtures. And then these two on the wall. That's all you need for a little pop of decor. So far we saw our living room, bedroom, open floor plan, kitchen. And now we're going to... we are ascending the stairs. Okay, up we go. Let's do this a little faster for you guys. Okay, so this is nice. Liking it. So this is a huge game room loft area. I'm liking the table and chairs, boucle chairs, the table. This is perfect. I actually have a table in my home. I can put the chairs. I've had this before. I'm gonna do this again. So, oh, then look at these vases. Really, really pretty. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Nope. But really cool. So, let's see, there's some artwork. It brightens up the space. And now let's look down. Let's look down. Beautiful views. Ooh, I want to live here. This is a big house. Okay, this is the game room. Really nice. So you have separate areas, guys, in the game room. Okay, so I'm loving the couch. I don't know if it's a loft. Yes, I wouldn't do that couch with this table, off this chair. Come home with me. I'd put this in an office. I love the table. I just don't like everything together. I love these baskets. The couch is a winner, but not in here. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, and it has like this storage over here. And I think that door there is where you have all your machines. That's what keeps the house running. So that's the attic. Okay, that's where you have your water heaters and all that other stuff. Okay, here's a bedroom. The light is on, so the lighting in here is not that great. Okay, I'm liking it. I love the mirror. Don't like that green wall, but I'm not sure. This is like an eclectic, southwestern eclectic kind of a feel home. Okay, I'm liking the bed. I like those two balls on the bed. There's a closet over here for you guys that are interested in the layout of the home. This is nice. I do like this picture. I wouldn't buy it, but I like it. Okay, and I'm almost done, guys, with the home. Okay. Okay, I like those two little things there. I have some pictures like this I got from at home. I do love the shower curtain, really nice. I do love the shower curtain, it has these buttons on it, really nice. Okay. Ooh. Yes, I like this bedroom. I like the stools. I give this room a 3 out of a 3. I don't know, maybe a 7 out of a 10. Okay. I love that on the wall. I don't like everything together, but I do love these pieces of decor. I wouldn't pair them together, but I love the curtains. I do love that horse head. I love, love, love the candle holders. The drawers are nice. The stools are nice. The picture is okay. I wouldn't do this together, but it is what it is. Is there a bathroom here? There's a closet. Okay, so this is I believe a 4-bedroom home. And that's it up here. So we have this room. We have this room. This space right here, 10 out of 10. Yes, 10 out of 10. Okay. You're looking down, good vibes right here. Nice view. And then you have the whole home here. And then, okay. Well, that's it, guys. And how did I rate my neighbor's decor? 86 points out of 100. Okay, I came in here and I decided what I would keep, what I would change, how it worked well together. That's how I made my decision. Overall, it is an absolutely fabulous house. Welcome to the neighborhood. It is absolutely stunning. I would live here. I would buy this house. They did lose some points for having that toilet seat up, but anyway, shh. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Congrats, neighbors.